outside and today we will meet the rainy animals. Who is this in the rain? Hello, who are you? Why you are standing in this rain? I am frog and waiting for my friends for enjoying rainy season. Meet my friend snail and snake, and the third one is earthworm. Let us tell our story one by one. Frog. You see a frog in rainy season. That's why we see a frog only in rainy season, because a frog has cold and moist body. Its skin is very thin in dry season. If it comes out of the land, moisture from its body will evaporate. Snail. I am a rainy animal. The back of my body is a shell and usually I live in the shell, which is like home for me. It protects me from any danger. Hello, I am earthworm. I live under the soil and everyone call me farmer's friend. I am a rainy animal. Hello, I am snake. I am a rainy animal. I usually have cold and moist body like other rainy animals. When I come in dry weather, my moisture will evaporate, and because of dryness, I can die. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe for more videos. Like and subscribe us for more videos.